Hi Porsche 917 fans, it's Saturday, May 11th. I put the body back on the car, such as it is. Been sitting outside in the snow and the weather, leaning up against trees, getting blown over. But here it is, sitting on the car. That's what it's going to look like eventually. I mean, this is Joe Siffert's Can-Am car body, but it's just going to take a lot of work to make it look like anything decent. His body's 9 years old, laying around for 9 years. I just got done rearranging the garage and cleaning things up and having some room to work. And tomorrow I guess I'll come out here and start somewhere. I worked on the nose last year to get that mounted, so then I could just sand it down and clean it up and paint it. But things have broken off of it, things have cracked. My holes for the Zeus fasteners don't line up anymore. Right in there like that. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, to sell it with a body like this, I mean, it'll look better than a frame, I guess, but what somebody's got to do is really buy a body from the people who have the molds for the original cars. I mean, the car is basically the same size, same width. The distance from the roll bar to the center axle and rear axle are just about the same. So if they just take whatever body they want, I'd pick the Jägermeister 917-30 that they raced in the Inter Series, personally. But then they could fit it to this and it would be 100% knockoff of the body and real close on the frame and the engine. And I mean, somebody else with some money and the people they need can get the engines bolted together and both of them running like a top. I mean, it would be the only flat 12 boxer in the world. And if I were them, I'd probably take all the Corvette suspension off and put racing suspension on there. When I started this, I didn't know where there was a store for racing suspension. So I just used what was off the shelf. Okay, that's enough. I'll talk to you later.